During the Battle of Tabuk, in intense heat and hardship, they did not ask for a miracle, though this was easy for the Prophet by Allah's leave. And when the companions became hungry, they merely asked the Prophet to invoke Allah for an increase in the amount of food. They collected whatever food they had and brought it to the Prophet, and he asked Allah to bless it, told each of them to take some food, and they filled their pot they had. Also, when they needed rain, the Prophet asked Allah to send down rain, and a rain cloud came. They drank, gave water to their camels, and filled their water skins. When they looked around, they found that the cloud had only rained on their camel. This is the best example of those who were willing to accept Allah's decision and follow the messenger of Allah.